Many professionals accumulate excellent know-how and build great best practices. But after their first successful usage, it is usually their last, and they are left to become sleeping assets. In the meantime, you may have felt that you were somewhat reinventing the wheel, whilst a good best practice already exists for you somewhere else. So how can you find the right best practice to save time and build on your existing know-how? Eloquens.com is the leading marketplace to find and share ready-to-use best practices in the worlds of finance, strategy, startups, marketing, legal, leadership and HR, and technology, with hundreds and thousands of users and authors publishing and downloading exclusive resources every month. As an expert in your field, an Eloquens channel enables you to publish your whole range of practices to the world in just a few clicks. Downloadable tools, step-by-step methods, PDF guides and ebooks, videos, online video courses, and podcasts. By enabling professionals to publish their best practices to the world, whatever the format or the objective, Eloquens is truly the all-in-one online publishing platform for experts of all horizons. The step-by-step upload process is very simple and gives you the opportunity to enrich your best practice by adding explanatory documents, descriptions, screenshots, and demo videos. Once the best practice is sent for validation and accepted, your best practice will be released into a dedicated category and made available to hundreds of thousands of identifiable users. In creating your Eloquens author channel, you can centralise all your ready-to-use best practices, which will firstly boost your personal brand in a competitive market. In sharing your best practices on Eloquens.com, it generates a public portfolio of your work, which can be easily shared across all social networks and integrated onto other websites thanks to our iframes feature. As some might say, a hands-on version of your CV. Secondly, it will enable you to continue to build your professional network in a new way, as well as progressively grow a fan base around the publication of your best practices. As all users sign in via LinkedIn, you'll be able to know exactly who they are and get in touch with them either through Eloquens' private message or directly through LinkedIn. Thirdly, by offering your priced premium best practices, you will have the opportunity to generate a strong passive revenue stream. In the case of best practices, our authors are capable of earning more than $3,000 per month, with authors retaining 85% of the net sales. If you have any questions on your experience with us, you're welcome to reach out to us via private message on our Eloquens team channel. Happy publishing!